Hi, my name is Will Kane.
And my name's Emily Dwyer, and we're going to be taking you through a functional fitness masterclass today. The workout we are going to give you guys is 4 time, 30, 20, 10 repetitions of plate to ground to overhead and burpees to the plate. So this is the plate ground to overhead. This could also be done with something like a dumbbell or a kettlebell or a sandbag. The rep starts with the plate at the very bottom touching the floor, and it finishes when the plate is overhead and the arms, shoulders, hips, knees are fully extended. Keep the plate nice and close and mind your face on the way up and the way down. A few key pointers for this movement. Make sure you keep a neutral spine at all times. That means keeping it in its most natural position where we're not going into a curved position. If you show me what that looks like, Will. So this would obviously be a very unhelpful position for your spine to be in, okay? So we want to get extension through there. Keep our shoulder higher than our hip, which is higher than our knee. Weight is completely balanced throughout the foot, and so he can touch the floor easier, Will is pointing the plate away from him in that position. As he goes to the top of the rep, he is going to get hip extension here, meaning he's going to open his hips fully, and he's going to drive the plate so he's completely stacked through his wrist, elbow, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle, okay? If you have the weight behind you or in front, if you excessively drive your head through, that's gonna pull your spine out of being neutral and probably gonna be quite dangerous and uncomfortable, especially if you're moving at speed with a heavy load. So explosively opening the hip here, driving it up to help pull that weight overhead. Thanks, Will. The burpee to the plate looks like this. Rep starts when the athlete is at the very bottom, chest and hips to the floor, and finishes when they jump on top of the plate. Be careful with your face once again on this one. If you're using a dumbbell or a kettlebell, you can either jump over the item to complete the rep, or you can jump towards it, but I wouldn't recommend jumping onto it. So now we're going to take you through some key pointers for the burpee to the plate. If you can't do a full burpee for whatever reason, we will give you some scaling options you can use for that. So first thing Will's going to do is he's going to put his hands on the floor and he's going to put his chest and hips to the floor as well, trying not to smash his face onto the plate. This was what we'd call the bottom of the rep because we've got a clear indication of a finishing point, okay, so those contact points. He's going to push his body away, jump his feet underneath, and then jump onto the plate from there. If you can't jump onto things, if you can't jump onto the plate, you can step onto the plate. That is a completely viable option. If you can't do a full burpee, what you might want to do is put your hands down, jump into a plank position, keep your midline nice and tight through here, so we don't want to see any dipping spines like this or butts right up in the air either. So nice and strong, and then you can either step in or jump in, and either jump on or step on. So there's an option out there for anyone. So this is quite a long workout for a lot of people, so try not to go out too fast. Get into a pace that you can maintain and then see if you can speed up towards the end. Nice, Will, keep that form for me. Make sure you keep your form the entire way through this. Don't slip out of having that nice neutral spine. Good job, mate. Nice, Will, good job. Keep it going for me. Notice he's not opening his hips at the top of this rep. That's absolutely fine because the rep finishes with his feet on the plate. Make sure you jump fully onto the plate for me every single time, okay? We don't want to risk that foot. 2 more reps, mate. Come on then. Last one. Time. I hope you enjoyed our masterclass today, and we really hope you enjoy doing the workout. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Myprotein YouTube page. We'll see you again soon.
See you guys.